Hi, this video is here to help you with your understanding of miles and kilometres. A mile is an imperial unit of measurement and a kilometre is a metric unit of measurement. Both units of measurement can be used to measure length. 1 mile is a greater distance than 1 kilometre. 5 miles is approximately equal to 8 kilometres. We can use this symbol to mean is approximately equal to. Using this conversion, we can work out that 10 miles would be approximately equal to 16 kilometres. 15 miles would be approximately equivalent to 24 kilometres, and 20 miles would be approximately equivalent to 32 kilometres. When we are converting between miles and kilometres, it's important that we use multiplicative reasoning. As we know, 5 miles is approximately equivalent to 8 kilometres. So to convert miles into kilometres, divide the number of miles by 5 and then multiply this answer by 8. For example, to convert 60 miles into kilometres, we would divide 60 by 5, which equals 12. We would then multiply 12 by 8 to give us 96. We would say 60 miles is approximately equal to 96 kilometres. To convert kilometres into miles, we could divide the number of kilometres by 8 and then multiply the answer by 5. For example, to convert 104 kilometres into miles, I would divide 104 by 8, which equals 13. I would then multiply 13 by 5, which equals 65. We would say 104 kilometres is approximately equal to 65 miles. Now it's your turn. Pause here and have a go at these conversions. Remember, 5 miles is approximately equal to 8 kilometres. Press play again when you're ready to continue. Have you finished? Well done. Here are the answers. Pause the screen again if you need a little bit longer to check. Now, I think you're ready for a challenge. Pause the screen here and have a go at the following question. Press play again when you're ready to check your answer. Mr. Jones is taking part in a 2,900-mile motorbike race. By the end of the third day, he had completed 1,200 kilometres. Question 1. In kilometres, approximately how long is the entire race? Question 2. In kilometres, approximately how far did Mr. Jones have left to drive? Once again, remember, 5 miles is approximately equal to 8 kilometres. Have you finished? Well done. Here are the answers. The entire race is 4,640 kilometres because 2,900 miles divided by 5 equals 580. 580 multiplied by 8 equals 4,640 kilometres. 2,900 miles is approximately equal to 4,640 kilometres. As Mr. Jones had already completed 1,200 kilometres, we can subtract this distance from the total. 4,640 kilometres subtract 1,200 kilometres equals 3,440 kilometres. I hope this video helped you understand miles and kilometres. If you're looking for more maths help, then we've got lots more of these videos on the Twinkl website, so go and check them out. Hi, this video is here to help you with converting metric and imperial units. Metric and imperial units of measurement are commonly used to measure length, mass and capacity. You may have heard of inches, feet, yards and miles. These are imperial units of measurement and can be used to measure length. Let's have a look at the conversions. There are 12 inches in 1 foot. There are 3 feet in 1 yard. There are 1,760 yards in 1 mile. You may have also heard of millimetres, centimetres, metres and kilometres. These are metric units of measurement and again are used to measure length. There are 10 millimetres in 1 centimetre. There are 100 centimetres in 1 metre. There are 1,000 metres in 1 kilometre. Both imperial and metric units of length are commonly used, and you'll need to be able to convert between them. If you'd like to learn more about converting miles to kilometres, then why not check out our miles to kilometres video on the Twinkl website. Let's look at how to convert between inches and centimetres. 1 inch is approximately equal to 2.5 centimetres. We can use this symbol to mean is approximately equal to. This bar model shows a relationship between inches and centimetres. For every 1 inch, there are approximately 2.5 centimetres. So, as the bar model shows, 10 centimetres is approximately equal to 4 inches. Therefore, to convert inches to centimetres, we need to multiply the number of inches by 2.5. For example, to convert 3 inches to centimetres, we would multiply 3 by 2.5, which equals 7.5 centimetres. 3 inches is approximately equal to 7.5 centimetres. To convert centimetres to inches, we need to divide the number of centimetres by 2.5. For example, to convert 10 centimetres into inches, we need to divide 10 by 2.5, which equals 4. 10 centimetres is approximately equal to 4 inches. Now it's your turn. Have a go at completing the following table. Pause here and have a go. Have you finished? Brilliant. Here are the answers. Pause the screen now if you need longer to check them. Now let's look at how we could convert some commonly used imperial and metric units of mass. Commonly used imperial units of mass includes ounces, pounds and stone. There are 16 ounces in 1 pound. There are 14 pounds in 1 stone. Commonly used metric units of mass include grams, kilograms and tonnes. There are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. There are 1,000 kilograms in 1 tonne. This bar model shows that 1 kilogram is approximately equal to 2.2 pounds. We can use this fact to help us convert between kilograms and pounds. To convert kilograms to pounds, we multiply the number of kilograms by 2.2. For example, to convert 5 kilograms to pounds, we would multiply 5 by 2.2, which equals 11. We would say that 5 kilograms is approximately equal to 11 pounds. To convert pounds to kilograms, we divide the number of pounds by 2.2. For example, to convert 22 pounds to kilograms, we would divide 22 by 2.2, which equals 10. We would say that 22 pounds is approximately equivalent to 10 kilograms. Now it's your turn again. Pause here and try and complete the conversion table. Press play when you're ready to check the answers. Well done, here are the answers. Pause here if you need longer to check. Finally, let's look how to convert between some commonly used imperial and metric units of capacity. Commonly used imperial units of capacity include fluid ounces, pints and gallons. There are 20 fluid ounces in 1 pint. There are 8 pints in 1 gallon. Commonly used metric units of capacity include millilitres and litres. There are 1,000 millilitres in 1 litre. 1 pint is approximately equal to 570 millilitres. To convert pints to millilitres, we can multiply the number of pints by 570. For example, to convert 5 pints to millilitres, we would multiply 5 by 570, which equals 2,850. We would say 5 pints is approximately equal to 2,850 millilitres. To convert millilitres to pints, we divide the number of millilitres by 570. For example, to convert 1,710 millilitres to pints, we would divide 1,710 by 570, which equals 3. We would say that 1,710 millilitres is approximately equal to 3 pints. Here is another conversion table for you to complete. Pause here and have a go, and then press play when you're ready to check your answers. Well done, here are the answers. Press pause if you need longer to check your answers. I hope this helped you understand converting metric and imperial units. If you're looking for more maths help, then we've got lots more of these videos on the Twinkl website, so why not go and check them out? See you next time.